Another former South Korean leader was in the dock on criminal charges on Wednesday. It was ex-President Lee Myung-bak who faces over a dozen charges, including embezzlement, bribery, and abuse of power. Our Soo-young with more.
Former President Lee Myung-bak rejected the corruption charges against him at his trial's first hearing on Wednesday. He testified for 12 minutes at the Seoul Central District Court, where the hearing began at 2 p.m. 4 of his attorneys and 8 members of the prosecution were there to explain to the court how they will make their cases. The former leader has been indicted on a total of 16 charges. These include taking almost $11 million in bribes, $650,000 from the country's intelligence agency, and $6.3 million from Samsung Electronics through auto parts company DAS, which he is widely suspected of secretly owning. Prosecutors also say the former leader embezzled some $32 million, mostly through DAS, to fund political campaigns and his household expenses. The 76-year-old on Wednesday denied having or receiving illicit funds, as well as his alleged links to DAS. The former Conservative leader also dismissed allegations that he granted Samsung chairman Lee Gon-hee a special pardon from prison in return for the millions in kickbacks. The ex-leader has insisted that the ongoing probe targeting him and his associates is an act of political retaliation by the current Liberal government. However, experts say his all-out denial is unlikely to affect the course of the trial, especially as prosecutors have said they secured incriminating evidence.
One of the most important points will be revealing the ownership of DAS. Regardless of his denial, prosecutors would present comprehensive evidence regarding the flow of money and employees at the firm.
Other charges against former President Lee include abuse of power, tax evasion, and violating laws on presidential records. His attendance in court marked his first public appearance in 62 days, after he was arrested due to the risk that he might destroy evidence. Soo-young, Arirang News.